How's it going, G?
What's good, Fit?
All right, man. Do you acknowledge that this is live and I can use the clips however I want? How about you?
Yeah.
Where you calling from, man?
Toronto, Ontario.
All right, how can I help you, man?
To be honest, I'm kind of just looking for a little bit of advice when it comes to business and content creation a little bit. I'm trying to get a little bit into that stuff, dating life and everything. I kind of feel like I'm 23 years old.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I kind of have a good balance within my life, centered with good relationship with God, family, and everything.
Awesome, bro.
I got a girlfriend of like over a year, so I feel like I'm kind of chilled out and everything. Been looking at your stuff and it's helped me out. But now that
Awesome.
I'm kind of like looking into like content creation and everything, I've kind of centered my content around like God and everything, like evangelizing type stuff. So I kind of just wanted to talk to you how you can build a kind of platform online and I don't know, see how you can help me out.
Okay. The thing about religious content is that you're gonna get a lot of pushback because you're trying to religion is probably one of the most rudimentary things that people. It's gonna be very tough, right? It's gonna be very tough. But the thing is, it's either black and white religion. Either people believe what you believe or they don't. So there's usually no common ground. That's why I don't like to get in religion or politics. I want every guy to believe in whatever they want to believe in. But you can use that to your advantage, right? I think it's maybe a little bit easier to build a following, a cult following, because religion is something that's like black or white, right? It's you believe in this or you don't.
Right.
Just be aware that you're gonna get a lot of hate, right? And you're not gonna like transform everybody because they just don't want to. They don't want to hear that.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
I guess where I'm at right now with my content is I got like a little following, about 5,000.
Okay.
So I guess I'm trying to make that bigger leap. You know what I mean? How was it for you? I guess getting started and.
I mean, it's any leap you want to take is gonna come from value. So you need to go figure out which content in your specific niche is already doing well and recreate it. There are different ways to get your message across. Right. I've seen plenty of guys that are making content about religion, and it's like you got different styles. You got like things like it's a lot. So just go and find. Do you use ChatGPT?
A little bit, not often.
Little bit.
Yeah.
You go. You got information.
But I feel like I just use it whenever I'm down bad. I'm like, ChatGPT, what do? I need a message to call into work or something, like to get me out of a
that's not what that's not what ChatGPT is for. ChatGPT is anything. So something as simple as, can you give me the top 20 what is it? You say you Christian or evangelist?
I mean, so what I'm doing with my content is I'm kind of talking to people about God, but I kind of center my stuff about being a follower of Christ, because I think like religion could be corrupt in its sense.
Okay.
I could get into it if you're interested in everything, but I'm kind of more about like God is separate from all of the, the trash around, the pushback is what you're talking about, right?
Gotcha. So you want to go find specifically for content, not to go and copy what they're doing. Go and ask ChatGPT to give you a list of 50 religious content creators.
Okay.
You're not going to copy what but you're going to see the kind of content that they make. You're going to recreate it in your own way with your message.
Right.
So you can reach more people. There's no need, guys, to hustle backwards anymore. There's no need to try to create anything out of thin air. All the information is provided for you. So figure out how other people have reached a mass of people, and then you recreate that with your own style and your own information.
Okay, I'm feeling that.
Okay.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
All right, man.
All right,
just being consistent. Okay.
All right, love, respect.
All right, man. Have a good one.